We guide you through how to unlock iPhone if you forgot your password. So first, on the lock screen, keep entering the wrong passcode until the option Erase iPhone appears at the bottom right corner. Then tap it, confirm the erase process, and sign in with your Apple ID to reset the device and remove the forgotten passcode. If that option doesn't appear, you can unlock the iPhone using a computer by putting the device into recovery mode. Connect your iPhone to a computer with a cable, then quickly press and release the volume up button. Press and release the volume down button and hold the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. After that, open iTunes on Windows or Finder on Mac. Select your iPhone and choose Restore option to reinstall the system and remove the passcode. Keep in mind that restoring your iPhone will erase the data on the device, but if you previously backed up your iPhone using iCloud or a computer, you can easily restore all your file, photos, and apps after that setup process.